And then you got to get it, lots of food coloring in it.
Okay.
Oh, it's screw. It's screw top. There you go, sweetie. And do it carefully though, okay? So it'll...
Right, Kaylee, get it.
Okay.
Watch out for your...
Okay.
There you go.
And then Dawn liquid soap. Just Dawn liquid soap is off, okay? You ready?
It's so cool. No.
Okay, you gotta see it again.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I know.
What in the world?
I gotta see it again.
For real?
Yeah, the science behind it. Come to find out, there's in the milk, water, and fat, and this separates the fat from the water. Because you know it gets like oil off the stuff. So yeah, this will show how we can spread our love and the word of God to others. Walmart.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, isn't that cool? This one is still staying really pretty, isn't it, guys?
But it begin to look like that.
Wow.